Hello everyone, welcome. We are talking about class 11 biology, morphology of flowering plants, and we will be talking about the fruits. The fruits are formed after fertilizations, and if the fruit is formed without fertilization, it is known as parthenocarpic fruit. The fruit consists of a wall which is called as pericarp, and this pericarp may be fleshy as in the mangoes, or it may be dry as in the case of coconut. Okay, now it is differentiated into epicarp, which is the outside, middle layer is the mesocarp, and inner layer is the endocarp. In mango and coconut, we have the fruit which is known as a drupe. Okay, the mango form monocarpellary, superior ovary, and are one-seeded. So this is superior ovary which is there. And in mango, the pericarp is well differentiated into an outer thin epicarp, which is the peel of the mango, a middle fleshy layer of the mesocarp, which we have, an inner stony hard endocarp, which is a seed. In coconut, which is also called the drupe. Okay, next coming and talking about the seeds. So talking about the seeds, I fused both of this together, fruits and the seeds. The seeds, basically we have two kinds of seeds based on the number of cotyledons. So cotyledon is the fleshy material that we see in the seed. The seed can be monocotyledon as well as dicotyledon. If it is having a single cotyledon, it is monocotyledon, and if it is having two cotyledons, it is dicotyledonous. Okay, now structure of a dicotyledonous seed, if we talk about the seed coat which is there, the outer layer, so the outer testa and the inner tegmen is there. So the outer layer is testa, and then we have tegmen. There's a hilum. Hilum is nothing but the scar or the seed coat that you see, a small hole. Then we have a micropyle, that is this layer which we have a micropyle end that we have, and with the seed coat is the embryo, which consists of embryonal axis and two cotyledons, and these cotyledons are fleshy and full of reserved food materials is there. Okay, and in some seeds we have some endosperm which is left, as in the castor oil. So they are formed as a result of double fertilization in a food storing tissue and called endospermic seeds. Now coming to monocotyledonous plant, if we see at the structure here, we have got an outer layer which is known as the alluron layer. So this is the outer layer which is there in the monocotyledonous plants. So this consists of a one large shield shaped cotyledon which is known as scutellum. So this is known as scutellum, and here it has got a plumule and a radicle. So there is a covering, there's a sheath that is there for the plumule and the radicle. For the plumule you have coleoptile, and for radicle you have coleorhiza. For plumule you have coleoptile, and for radicle you have coleorhiza. Okay, so CPCR, remember, coleoptile and coleorhiza. Okay, next. So that is about fruits and the seeds. Thank you.